Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today, I have a special guest. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hey guys, I'm Sammy. You might remember me from the last couple videos.
Yeah, and this is my son. And he just turned 6 a couple weeks ago, and you'll be going into grade
1.
So I think this book is important for lots of kids in elementary, kindergarten, preschool, talking about kindness and empathy.
Yes.
So, Sammy, what is the title of the book?
Kindness is a kite string. The uplifting power of
Empathy, the uplifting power of empathy. Good. Okay. And as we read the book, we'll figure out what empathy means.
I know what empathy means. So if you guys don't know what empathy means, you'll find out in this book.
Awesome. And it's by Michelle Schwab, illustrated by Claire Lafort.
Hug a special someone when you greet the morning light.
Kindness is like sunshine. It starts the day off right.
Think of ways to spread it. Stack the dishes, tie a shoe.
Kindness is an open door to welcome others through.
Help a friend or teacher. Share a book or swap a smile. Kindness runs like dominoes. Reach up, tip, and a title.
Reach out and tip a tile.
Okay.
Visit a sick neighbor. Send an unexpected gift. Kindness is a kite string. Let it out. See spirits lift.
Make room around the table for those who stand apart. Kindness helps you navigate a map to guide your heart.
Excellent. Say sorry, show forgiveness. Try to view the other side. Kindness is a footbridge. Step across the wide divide.
Be gentle with the earth. It has
and its creatures,
great and small. Kindness is a golden chain that links us one and all.
So take someone with kindness before the chance is gone. Kindness is contagious.
All along.
Kindness is contagious. When you catch it, pass it on. All right. So, Sammy, as we're reading this book, what are things that you can maybe do to be kind to others?
Like, if I have a dog, so if I really wanted to be nice to my dog, I would spread happiness with it.
Excellent. And the word empathy. So, as we're reading the book, they showed great examples of kindness and empathy. Tell me in your own words what empathy means to you.
And if you follow my mom's words, just put it in the comments.
Okay, but Sammy, tell me what empathy means to you.
Empathy means kindness.
Kindness and putting yourself in somebody else's shoes. How would it feel if you were them to receive that kindness? So it's always good to try to feel like, okay, if I was that person, what would I like? And then you try to do those things. And just a note from the author. So it talks about in this book, they use similes and metaphors. Similes and metaphors are words you might learn a little bit upper in elementary, but a simile is comparing things using like or as. So for instance, kindness is like a kite string would be a simile, and kindness is a string would be a metaphor. So It helps us to use our imagination when we use this figurative language, and it paints this picture in our head. Well, I hope you enjoyed this book, and I look forward to you stopping by my channel and listening to other books with me and my awesome son, Sammy.
Okay, so I love you all, guys, and I hope you share the love with your pets, your family, and your friends.
Awesome point. Thank you, everyone.
And stay all good for the next video.
Awesome. Okay, bye, everyone.
See you next on SE
Learning Station.